This is day 3 of improving my thinking while speaking using using anadiplosis. So our word for today is alcohol. Alcohol is a habit that can be fine from time to time, but bad if too much. I forgot the time again. Let's do it again. Let's pick another word. So the word is keys. Keys are what gives us security on our house. Doesn't make sense. House is what gives us security. Security is meant to be uh, security is many things. Things like money, financial security. Security can. I still suck. Not in a gay way.